Yeah, hi guys. I'm using keyboard, but it's a phone. Yeah, it's a phone. If you see, if I move it,
Shut up. Yo.
do you hear that thing? You hear that, huh?
Yes.
If I go to the
I just
magic.
made the account, guys. Please subscribe to my account.
Okay, guys, I need
My
to
name
go.
is
Wait. If I go to the magic finger, you hear that?
Yes, I hear that. I'm a little bit scared, baby.
Are you with me? Are you?
Come on. If I and where's the X thing? Hey, get out there! I can't see. I can't see. Now,
Okay, I'm gonna turn on my
wait.
sound.
I still hear
This
it.
is gonna get off. I still hear your keyboard. This is just a voice. This is just a voice chat, right?
See? It will work. This keyboard is from the.
I want you in my room. Let's spend the night together from now until forever. Boom, boom, boom. I wanna go boom, boom. Let's spend the night together, together in my.
There we go. Now I'm unlocked.
Excuse me.
I need to go to the shop. I need to get the legendary.
Alright, you see?
No.
No. Oh, you have so many coins. No, you have so many coins. I have so many coins too.
Where? Get out your bit.
This in Voodoo Doll. I have so many coins in Voodoo Doll. It's like $1 million, 1,000.
Okay, let me type H. Oh.
You can't type H.
Yeah, I got it.
Hey, I'm a dinosaur in Voodoo Doll.
Let me try that. Oh, you're kidding me. I'm using keyboard. I don't know how to exit this. Oh. There you go. Say joy to your family. Yay, he died.
Street.
Now, there's more. Let me. Get out. See? Yes.